All right, people, here I am about to start my day. I'm actually going to be driving outside of Sacramento. I'm going to be in Folsom, California. I get to drive one of the newer Gillick buses today. This is 2262, so I rarely get this high up in the 22s. I'm normally stuck in the low 22s when I do get a 22. Got the driver's area right here, pretty standard stuff. Everyone outside of North America be like, oh, that's so old and outdated. I know, I get it, but that's what I'm working with today. That's what I'm working with, okay? Okay. So here I am at Folsom Lake College. And it's a Sunday, so there's no classes here. The parking lot behind me, as you can see, it's empty. It's empty. Yeah. So as you can see, this college is served by the Route 10 Folsom stage line. That's the route that I'm operating today. Sacramento operates the Folsom stage line now. Also, El Dorado Transit, they also serve the Folsom Lake College. Let's take a brief look at their schedule here. We got the 50X, westbound and eastbound. It looks like it runs just Monday through Friday, and the single ride is $1.50. So now we are at the historic Folsom district, or the Folsom Historic District. This is a map, but this is the actual place. We are here. And that bus that's in front of me right there, that is a bus bridge light rail shuttle. And that bus is currently supplementing the light rail service that typically serves this station, the historic Folsom station. But right now the light rail is not operating here because there's a certain segment in which they are creating a passing track so that they can provide 15-minute service to this station. Prior to this project, service was only every 30 minutes. Now I'm going to show you where it's single track, because right now you can see double track. You're like, well, it's double tracked. What are you talking about, single track? I'll show you. So as you can see, the double track right there merges into a single track. So there you have it. You can see both the light rail bus bridge shuttle, which is the second bus, and the bus I'm operating, the F10. We are both here at the historic Folsom station. But once the light rail is back in service over here, the only bus that'll lay over there as of right now will be the F10, the route that I'm currently operating. So sometimes I'm able to take a break, a little bit of a break. I don't get a long break or breaks or recovery time when I'm doing this route in this quiet suburban small city, but you know, you make the most of it, so it's good to get out of the seat and walk. Then there's tons of shops and stores, including the general store right here. And here's an interesting thing right here. Check this out. This picture right here is from a venue here in Folsom called Powerhouse. Guess who they are? They are my bandmates. I play in a band with them. I'm the drummer for this band right here.
He ain't lying.
Just in case you don't believe me, me to head out again. This time I'm gonna drive from Folsom, historic Folsom station, to the Iron Point light rail station. So I'll show you that once I get to the other end. It's gonna be so exciting. I pretty much go from light rail station to light rail station. All right, let's get going. Okay, so now I'm at the Iron Point light rail station, the other end of the end points for the Folsom 10 that I'm operating today on this beautiful Sunday afternoon all the way into Sunday night. And we're at Iron Point light rail station, and we have brand new light rail trains, and one of them is here at the station. So let's take a look at it. There it goes. Nice. As you can see behind me, we have a porta potty here at the Iron Point light rail station. So I do appreciate that. You know, I don't like porta johns or porta potties, but I also don't like when there's nothing available at all. So I'll take it. All right, so I'm almost at the end of my shift. One more trip, and I've driven about 7 hours out of an 8-hour shift, and I think I've had about 10 passengers on my bus today. That's about it. So pretty peaceful. It's a Sunday, it's a small town, and it's a new service. It keeps on announcing the route. That's what happens when the doors are open on the bus. But yeah, cool day. Oh, take a look at the map for this route. This route has a lot of turns, so I am grateful that I had one of the newer Gillick buses that have the smaller steering wheel. They're much easier to turn. It's easier on your shoulders compared to the standard size steering wheel that you would have on the other buses. So that was cool.